How to fix DSOUND.dll is missing or not found error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Outdated Windows components or DirectX files are common culprits for missing DLL errors. Ensure your operating system is updated, as updates often include fixes for such issues. If that didn't work, make sure you also run an update for DirectX. Link in description. If simply updating DirectX doesn't resolve the error, repairing it may help. Link in description. Malware infections can corrupt or delete essential system files like DSOUND.dll, so make sure your device is clean. Choose Microsoft Defender Offline Scan and click Scan Now. Your computer will immediately reboot and begin a deep scan.